Today's sort is very similar to the one you did earlier this week. You're going to sort the words, but you're going to do two different ways to sort, not three. You'll sort the words by if there's no spelling change or if you have to drop a silent E at the end of the base word. Then you'll click inside each text box and add ing to the base word. So I have 12 words today. Summon, I don't think has a spelling change when I add ing. So I'm going to drag it up there. And then once I've sorted all 12 of the base words, I'm going to go back into the text box and add ing to it. Remember to resize the box if it's a little too small. When I look at the word, it looks like when I add ing to it, it looks like it's spelled correctly. So I'm going to leave it as it is. But you're going to do this for all the other 11 base words by first sorting them by if there is a spelling change or if you have to drop the silent E at the end of the base word, and then you're going to click inside each text box and you're going to add ing to the base word, and remember to change the spelling of the ones, remember to drop the silent E and change the spelling by dropping that and adding ing then for the ones on the right side of the sort. Then you'll take a screenshot and upload it the way your teacher asks you to in the assignment.